Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach chapter number 5, that is differential equation. In that topic is homogeneous differential equation. So the question given will be a d square y upon dx square plus b dy by dx plus c into y is equal to 0. So it can be written as a d square plus b d plus c of y is equal to 0. Now this can be written as in an auxiliary equation a m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So this is in the quadratic form, remember that. So you need to factorize that. So you can use this formula, m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You will get roots of m1 and m2. That you need to look into this table for the solution. So if you get only one root, that is m, then the solution will be y is equal to c1 e raised to m into x. If you get real and different roots, that is m1 and m2 are different, fine, then you must use y is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x. Now if the roots are real and equal, so m1 is equal to m2, then y is equal to c1 plus c2 into x, remember this, and e raised to mx you can write. Now if the roots are imaginary, now what do you mean by imaginary? That is I. If you get I is equal to root of minus 1 in this form, so this will be imaginary. So the solution will be y is equal to e raised to ax, that is real part. This is real part. Now c1 cos bx, that is imaginary part, plus c2 sin bx. Fine, let's start with the sums. So this is the given question. Okay, so I'll write 9d square minus 12d plus 4 is equal to 0. Fine. Now in the auxiliary form, I can write this equation as 9m square minus 12m plus 4 is equal to 0. As I have told you, this is a quadratic equation form. So I need to find out the roots. So 9 4s are how much? 36. Now you need to tell me two numbers. So if I multiply, I must get 36, and if I add, I must get minus 12. So 6 6 are 36. 6 plus 6 is 12, but not minus. So what I am going to write? Minus 6 and minus 6. So I am going to write here 9m square minus 6m plus 4 is equal to 0. Fine. In this 2 and in this 2, what is common? So 3m is common. So 3m minus 2. Here 2 is common. So it will be 3m minus 2 is equal to 0. In this 2 again 3m minus 2 is common. Here also 3m minus 2. So m is equal to 2 upon 3. M is equal to 2 upon 3. So you can see this is m1 and this is m2. Both are real and equal. So from this table, real and equal m1 is equal to m2. So I must use this solution. Fine. So that will be the CF, complementary function. F is equal to, I'll write here c1 plus c2 into x e raised to what? 2 upon 3 x. Therefore, solution of a differential equation is y is equal to CF. Now what is CF? It is C1 plus C2 into x e raised to 2 by 3x. This completes your answer. Now second question, 8 d square y upon dx square plus 12 dy upon dx plus 5y is equal to 0. So as I have told you, we need to write 8 d square plus 12d plus 5 is equal to 0. Again in the auxiliary equation form, I will write in place of d m. So 8m square plus 12m plus 5. So this cannot be solved by simple factorization. So we need to use this formula. M is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of a b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now a, what is a? The first term, that is 8. What is b? 12. Now what is c? It is 5. Okay, so b is 12 here, so minus 12 plus or minus square root of b square is 12 square minus 4, a value is 8 and c value is 5 divided by 2 into 8. Fine. Now if you calculate this, you will get minus 16 as the answer. I told you minus, if you get minus, then it is a imaginary roots. So square root of minus, if you get, then you need to write I. Square root of 16 is 4. Now separate this. So minus 12 upon 16 is the real part, plus or minus I 4 upon 16 is the imaginary part. So cancellation. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So minus 3 upon 4 is your A. Plus or minus 4 1s are 4 4s are. So it is 1 upon 4. Now, according to the roots, so in this table, imaginary roots are suitable. So I need to write CF. Okay, I'll write here. Complementary function CF is equal to e raised to A. A is the real part. So what I need to write? Minus 3 upon 4 into x. C1 cos, what is B? B is the imaginary part. So I need to write 1 upon 4 into x plus C2 sine 1 upon 4 into x. Fine. So solution of differential equation is y is equal to CF. So what did we get? CF? Solution of DE is y is equal to CF, that is e raised to minus 3 upon 4x cos 1 C1 cos 1 upon 4x plus C2 sin 1 upon 4x. So this is your final answer and this completes your answer. Now third question. Y double dash minus 6 y dash plus 13 y is equal to 0. So this can be written as d square minus 60 plus 13 of y is equal to 0. In auxiliary form, it can be written as m square minus 6m plus 13. This cannot be solved by simple factorization. So I have used this formula, m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what is a here? First term, it is 1 coefficient. What is b? It is minus 6. What is c? It is 13. So minus I have written and b value is minus 6. So minus 6. Fine. Plus or minus. B is minus 6 square minus 4. A value is 1 and c value is 13. 36 minus 52 is minus 16. As I have told you, whenever you get a minus in the square root, then it will become I. I is nothing but an imaginary root. So 6 upon square root of 16 is 4. Now I am going to separate this. 6 upon 2, 4 upon 2. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So it can be written as 3 plus or minus I into 2. That is A plus IB form. Now A is 3 and 2 is B. Fine. Now CF, that is complementary function. From this table, this is suitable. So e raised to ax. A is what? 3x. C1 cos. What is B? B is 2 plus C2 sine. What is B? It is 2x. Fine. Now solution of differential equation is y is equal to CF, that is e raised to 3x C1 cos 2x plus C2 sine 2x. So this completes your answer. Now fourth question. So y double dash plus 10 y dash plus 25 y. So d square plus 10d plus 25 is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation, m square plus 10m plus 25 is equal to 0. No need of applying that quadratic formula. Directly you can write 5 5 is a 25. 5 plus 5 is a 10. So roots m1 will become minus 5 and m2 will also become minus 5. So from this table, which is suitable? Real and equal, that is m1 is equal to m2. You can see. Fine. So I must use this formula. So CF, complementary function, is equal to C1 plus C2 x e raised to m. M is what? Minus 5x. So solution of differential equation is y is equal to CF and CF is c1 plus c2x e raised to minus 5x. This completes your answer. Now fifth question, y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. So d square minus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. Now in the auxiliary equation form, m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the last number? 2. So 2 ones are is how much? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. But we need minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1. Fine. So what I am going to write? m1 is equal to minus 2 and m2, no, if it is minus then you need to write plus. So if it is minus then you need to write plus. This is the trick of factorization. Fine. Now according to this table, which is suitable, real and different, okay, real and different roots are there. So what I need to use the solution, that is CF is equal to C1 e raised to m1. So if I consider 2 as a m1 plus C2 e raised to m2 as a 1x. So solution of differential equation is y is equal to CF, and that is nothing but C1 e raised to 2x plus C2 e raised to 1x. This completes your answer. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you understood this topic very well, and keep watching for other topics.